Here we have a Kobalt brushless 24 volt impact wrench that I bought from Lowe's 2 or 3 weeks ago. Out of the box. It runs like this. Watch this deep impact socket. I think this is, I forget what size this is, but watch the wobble on this thing. See how the thing wobbles? I didn't expect an impact wrench like this to have this much wobble on the shaft, on the motor shaft. So maybe some of you guys that have one of these can let me know if this is excessive or not. Go down the center. I mean, it just looks like it wobbles an awful lot to me. So I'm thinking of taking the damn thing back. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do your 24 volt Kobalts wobble like this, or are they smoother than this one? Thanks, I'd appreciate some comments about that. Bye.